So, very good morning, children. Today is 8th of February, right? Is it correct? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuesday. Okay. Completed our syllabus in the last class, right? Now we are starting our revision. Okay. We have a set of exams in the month of March. So this month we will do revision. Prepare well. Do every worksheet. Every sheet I send it to you. Please do and immediately submit. Don't keep it in pending. Clear? Every sheet carries marks. So please do that. Okay, so today we are starting the chapter Fields and Fences, the last chapter, last but one chapter, right? So, Fields and Fences, Google Sheet, I am going to share right now. You have to see and do every problem. Okay. Then,
Okay, ma'am.
after the class, immediately after the class, I am going to post it in a group. And as soon as you complete your classes for today, after that, sit or after lunch, you sit, complete and post it to me immediately. You have to submit it today itself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So before I start this revision class, please write your names in the chat box quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Make it fast.
Last session.
I'm ready to finish, ma'am.
Quickly. Still few more students have to write. Write your names in the chat box.
An exam is there, ma'am.
When?
Class after.
After class. I'll
Exam.
explain the problem. This is not exam, but revision. So I will explain the problems and send a Google Sheet to you. You have to submit it. Do it, complete it and submit it to me. Okay. Okay, children. Hope all of you have written your names. Still, there are some students who have not written. Yeah, one more. Okay, let me start the class. Before I share this Google Sheet, let us just recollect what we have learned, right? What we have learned in the chapter Fields and Fences. Here, listen, children. Right. So, Fields and Fences was basically about perimeters of the given figures, right? And what a perimeter is? Pranita, stop talking, listen. Perimeter is the length of the boundary. Whatever the figure is given, you have to find the length of the boundary of the given figure. Right? Tanvi? Okay. Now, so in this chapter, we have seen that the perimeter of rectangle, any figure given, you have to just add all the sides lengths of the figure. But in case of perimeter, in case of square, you have seen that you need not sit and add everything, but you can generalize a formula, isn't it? So we have learned that perimeter of rectangle is twice of L plus B, 2 times L, 2 times B, isn't it? Aditya Vardhan? So please switch on your videos, Sirivanella, Aditya, Vaishnavi. So you have seen that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, where L is the length of the rectangle, B is the breadth of the rectangle, right? We have seen this in our class. We are just trying to recollect the formula. As I told you, if there is a rectangle here, this is called the length, and we represent length by L, and this is called breadth. We represent breadth by B. Right? So what is that the formula of a perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Right? Next, if you take a square, you know that in square all the 4 sides are equal, isn't it? How many sides are there? Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. So perimeter means you have to add all the sides. And you know that in square, each side is same. Isn't it? All the 4 sides are equal. So perimeter of square becomes 4 into side. 4 into side. Right? Okay. Now quickly, One by
Four
one,
into
tell me
five.
the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. One by one, I will ask. Akshit God, quickly tell me what is perimeter of rectangle?
Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 is equal to L plus B.
2 into L plus B, not 2 is equal to. 2 into L plus B.
L plus B.
Say it properly once again.
Okay.
What is perimeter
Okay.
of rectangle?
Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into
Four side.
L plus B.
What is perimeter of square?
Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side.
Very good. Next, Dhruvish, quickly. Fast. Everyone should be ready. As I call your name, you unmute and tell. Yeah, perimeter of rectangle.
Yeah, ma'am.
Perimeter of it.
Quick. You are in mute. Unmute yourself. Dhruvish. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to? No, I'm not able to hear your voice. Dhruvish, check your speaker system. Pranita, quick. Pranita,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly. Perimeter of rectangle. Fast.
Perimeter of rectangle
Is equal to?
2 into L.
L plus B.
Perimeter of square
Hmm.
4
Hmm.
into side.
Okay. Next. Varshita, quickly.
Perimeter of rectangle
Hmm.
2 into L plus B.
Hmm. Next. Perimeter of square.
Perimeter of square
Hmm.
4 into 5.
4 into side. What were you doing then when I was explaining? 4 into side. Say it correctly.
4 into side.
Right. Next. Vaishnavi, quickly. Aditya Vardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why your video is not on? Switch on your video. Yeah, Aditya Vardhan, read out. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to?
2 into L plus B.
Next.
Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side.
Good. Next, Tanvi Priya.
Perimeter of rectangle is equal 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side.
Good. Murali Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter of rectangle 2 plus into L plus B.
Say it properly once again. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to?
2 into B.
2 into L plus B. Next, perimeter of square equal to?
Perimeter of square 4 into side.
Side. Good. Next, Dhruvish, once again, will you try? No, your voice, it's not audible, Dhruvish. What is the problem? Sirivanela,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly.
Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B.
Hmm.
Perimeter of square
4
4 plus side.
into side.
4 into side.
Yeah, Mokshita.
Ma'am.
Say it.
Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square 4 into side.
Right. Yashaswini. Quickly, switch on your video. Vaishnavi, Yashaswini, Grace, Amulya. Grace. Grace. Make it fast. Grace Amulya. Quickly tell me the formulas for these two.
Just now I opened my what is the question and అక్కడ పోయి కూర్చొని
Ma'am, this no.
What this? No, what happened? What happened, Grace? So if you're ready, then only I can ask you. Otherwise, I cannot help you. So now next, I have shared the sheet. Check it up. Okay. What I will do is I will start it from the last problem because these problems you are supposed to learn. The remaining anyways, you know. Even if possible, I'll complete it in the class. Now, see the 20th problem. A square garden is 200 meters long. How much wire will be needed to fence it 5 times? Yes. Who would like to explain this problem? Anyone? Read the problem once again, try to understand and explain. How to do it.
square garden is 200 meters long. How much wire will be needed to fence it 5 times?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yeah, Pranita, please.
1,000 meters, ma'am.
I don't want answer. I want how to do, you tell me. Others also should understand no, how you got the answer.
Ma'am, my
Multiplication.
name is Mokshita. I want to tell ma'am.
Multiplication, ma'am.
What multiplication? Wait, Mokshita, I'll give you chance.
Ma'am, we want
205 multiplication issue.
200 into 5. Why should you multiply 200 into 5? That is wrong. Why should you multiply it by 200 into 5?
Ma'am, we want to add 200 5 times, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay. Pranita, you said it. You gave the right answer, but you are not trying to explain it. Anyways, yes, Mokshita, why should we multiply it by 5?
We want to add, ma'am.
No, it's not add. Okay, now listen, children. I am going to explain to you what Pranita said was right, but how? Let us find out. Okay, so now here a square garden is 200 meters long. It is not only one side, it is for all the 4 sides. So it is given that perimeter of the square is 200 meters. What is it given? Perimeter. The square, this square, all the 4 sides if you add, already if you have done that, then the answer is 200 meters. You are given the perimeter of the square, right? Then if perimeter of the square is 200 meters, it means one time if you take the fence, it is 200 meters. But how many times it needs? It needs 5 times, right? So
5 times.
as you said, you can add 5 times. But what is that we have learned when you are repeatedly adding the same number, you should go for multiplication, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you have to take the same wire, same length of wire and fence it. So it is
1 kilometer, ma'am.
into 5. 200 into 5. Right? What is 200 into 5?
1 kilometer, ma'am.
Pranita, I want answer from you now. What is 200 into 5?
1,000, ma'am.
1,000. So
1,000.
1,000 meters. But is that answer given 1,000 meters? It is given 2 kilometers, 4 kilometers, 1 kilometer. Then what is the answer?
Ma'am,
1 kilometer.
is equal to 1 kilometer.
Very
1,000
good.
is equal to
Yes. So 1,000
kilometer.
meter means 1 kilometer. So option 1 kilometer is the right answer. Isn't it? Okay. Anyways, Pranita, good. And Akshat, Mokshita, well done. So let us go for the next one. Nineteenth question. Let us go to the 19th one. Yeah. The total length of the given figure is 26 centimeters. Find the length of A. Anyone, if anyone can tell me what to do. Think and tell.
Centimeter.
Huh? Don't give me the answer directly. Tell me how to do that.
Okay.
So this is the figure given. You are given that this side is 3 centimeters. This side is 3 centimeters. The other side 8 centimeters. Here 2.5 centimeters. Next is 2.5 centimeters. And this is A, not given. You are asked to find the length of this side. Please try to understand. Tell me who can tell this. Yes, anyone? You can raise your hand. Anyone?
27 centimeters.
But how? But how? Who gave answer?
Sirivanilla, ma'am.
Sirivanilla. Can you explain me, Sirivanilla? How did you get that? Can you huh?
Addition.
Yes, okay.
Exams perimeter.
Yes. So here, please look at the board, all of you. You are given that total length of the figure. Total length of the figure is equal to 26 centimeters. It means this is the perimeter of the given figure, isn't it? Then how to find the perimeter? Do you know how to find the perimeter of any figure? We just add all the lengths, isn't it? So let us add all. A plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5 centimeters. Again 2.5 centimeters. And this total perimeter is given as 26 centimeters. Did all of you understand this step? What we are doing? You are given the perimeter of the given figure. Please try to understand. All of you should listen to me. Here, Grace Amulia, settle down. Grace Amulia, settle down. Please look at the board and try to understand. Given that total length of the given figure is 26 centimeters, but how to find total length, we know very well, isn't it? How to find, we have to add each and every side. So we are adding A plus 3 centimeters, plus 3 centimeters, plus 8 centimeters, plus 2.5 centimeters, plus 2.5 centimeters. But this total length is given as 26 centimeters. Is this clear? Is this clear to all of you? Yeah. Now let us add. Now let us add. See here, A cannot be added to the given numbers. A is an alphabet, right? So first we will add all the numbers. So 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 8? 6 plus 8?
9.
8 centimeters. Next. Now listen. Listen. Here, who is this? Please mute if there is any disturbance from your side. So next is 2.5 plus 2.5. Can you tell me what will be the total of 2.5 and 2.5?
5.
Very good. 5 centimeters. You can either directly add 2.5 and 2.5. 2 plus 2 is 4. Half plus half is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Or you can add like this separately. 2.5 plus 2.5. Add the numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. So carry 1 and point as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5.0 means it is 5. Right? So now let us add all these numbers. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5. 19. So already you have A. A plus 19 is equal to 26 centimeters. A plus 19 is equal to 26. Then how much is A? What is the value of A? You have to find out by subtracting 19 from 26. By subtracting 19 from bigger number, 26, isn't it? So A is equal to 26 minus 19. 26 minus 19. What is 26 minus 19? Tell me. Huh?
7, ma'am.
7.
Answer is 7,
Borrow
ma'am.
16. 16 minus 9 is 7.
7
1
centimeter,
minus 1
ma'am.
is 0. So what is A? What is the length of A? Length of this
7
side.
centimeter.
7 centimeters. So now try, see the option. Do you have 7 centimeters? Do you have the option of 7 centimeters? Yes. What is, which option is that?
Yes.
B. It is B. Hope all of you understood this. Please check it up. I'm going to post this video. So please see that video, see the steps and write down in your notebook. That is very important. Clear? So this is 19th one. Let us go to the next one. Now, next problem. Find the cost of the wire used to fence a rectangular field of length 30 meters and breadth 20 meters, where the cost of wire per meter is 6 rupees. It's a big problem. Let us make it into small things, right? So then we'll understand how to do this problem. Okay. So if anyone, before I explain, if anyone can explain this problem. Someone understood can tell. Anyone? One of you try this? Yes. Others, please unmute. Those who want to answer can unmute.
A rectangular field of length and
Please try and let me know if anyone can explain this.
where the cost of wire per meter is 6 rupees.
Yeah, who is ready? Yes. Is anyone ready or shall I explain? Okay, now listen to me then.
600, ma'am.
Huh?
100
Told you
rupees,
number
ma'am.
of times. Don't give me the answer directly. Tell
100,
me,
ma'am.
explain how to do this. Okay, please look at the board. Please
Perimeter
look
of
at
rectangle
the screen here, all of
L
you.
plus B, ma'am.
Find the cost of wire to fence. Whenever you're reading a problem, at least in this chapter, whenever you're reading, first try to find out what shape is given. What is the shape of the field? What is the shape? Rectangular field. What is the shape of the field? Rectangular field.
Rectangle shape.
Yeah. So now tell me, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? What is the perimeter of the rectangle?
Ma'am, 2 multiplied. Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
B, right. 2 into L plus B. Okay, now listen. Okay, now listen. So given here a rectangular field, as I told you, as you read the problem, first you should able to find out what is a shape, what figure is given, what is a shape. So here it is given rectangular field. So rectangular field should have length and also should have breadth. Then next you have to find out whether length and breadth are given or not. Yes. So rectangular field of length 30 meters and breadth 20 meters. It means length is given, right? So length of rectangular field is equal to 30 meters. Then breadth of rectangular field, we represent it by B, is equal to 20 meters. So length and breadth are given, right? Then cost of wire per, this is something next we will see. So first let us find out how much wire required to fence this rectangular field. Then only we can find out how much cost it costs, right? So first you have to find what is the length of wire you need. So how to find the total length of the wire we need? We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, as just now you told, it is perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Right. Now what to do? Now you have to put the values of L and B, add and multiply it by 2. Isn't it? Then you will get the perimeter of rectangle. So L is 30 and B is 20. So what is the total? What is the sum? L plus B is 30 plus 20, 50, right? Yeah. So sum here is L plus B, that is 2 into 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50. So 2 into 50. What is 2 into 50? Multiply and check. 2 times 50 is 100 meters. So you got the perimeter of rectangle, right? What next? What next? You have to find the cost of the wire. So how to find the cost of the wire? Total length of the wire required is 100 meters. Total length of the wire required is 100 meters. And it is given in problem that cost of wire per meter. For 1 meter, it is 6 rupees. For 100 meters, what is the cost? 100 into 6, right? So you have to find out the cost of 100 meters. That step I am writing here. Given cost of 1 meter is equal to 6 rupees. So cost of 100 meters is equal to 6 into 100, 600 rupees. Right? So once again, I'm explaining this. Please listen to me carefully. First, you have to find out what is the shape of the figure. We understood that it is a rectangle. Once it is a rectangle, you have to find the length, that is L is equal to 30 meters. Then you have to find the breadth, B is equal to 20 meters. Then perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 30 plus 20, that is 2 into 50, that is 100 meters. So till here you have understood what is the total length of the wire required. Now you have to find what is the cost of the wire we have bought. But it is given that cost of 1 meter wire is 6 rupees. Then what is the cost of 100 meters of wire? 6 into 100, that is 600 rupees. Hope you understood this. If any doubt, kindly ask me right now. Yeah. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Hope understood?
No doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
No
fine.
doubts.
So let us
Understood,
go to
ma'am.
the next
No
problem now. You have to do all these in your notebooks by looking at the video. I'll send only the video. See the video again and again. Do the problem. Okay. So now let us go to the next one. how much wire is needed to fence the given field. So let us see what is the field given. Okay, so
Mom.
yes, 17th problem. See the field given. It's not rectangle, it's not square, but you are given the sides of the figure here. So what is this here? 6 meters,
meters, 8 meters,
13 meters,
13 meters,
and
8 meters,
8
8
meters.
meters.
So how to find the perimeter of this figure? How to find perimeter? How to find?
4 plus
You have
side.
to add all. No.
35 answer. We have to add all.
Very
Answer
good.
is 35.
Yes, you have to add all. This is not rectangle, this is not square. So don't use that formula. You have to add all here. 6 meters plus 8 meters plus 13 meters plus 8 meters. You have to add all and write. So
35 meters,
6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 13, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. Right? So check the answer. 35.
Answer is 35, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 35 meters is the wire required to fence this field. Okay, so just you have to add perimeter. You have to add all.
Ma'am, I
sides
said
and find the
first.
perimeter. Yeah, very good.
Hello?
Very good. Yes. Okay, next. Let us go to the next. Yes. Mute. Please mute. Whoever wants to speak can unmute others. Please mute.
సరే
Sound.
Ma'am, can you meet everyone?
Yeah. So now let us go to the next one. See here, how much wire is needed to fence the given field? Wherever you are asked to find the wire to fence the field, you have to find the perimeter. You have to find the perimeter. So what is the figure given here?
Ma'am, 45 answer is. Answer
Let me-
44, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Let me check. 15
45
meters,
meters, ma'am.
15 meters, 4 meters, 17 meters, and 9 meters. So this is the given figure. So you have to find the perimeter, and you know that perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. So 15 plus 4 plus 17 plus 9.
Plus 4.
Right. So 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 17, how much? 19 plus 17? Tell me. 19 plus
19 plus
17.
17. 26. 26.
36. Okay.
26.
So 36
36.
plus 9. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9.
45, ma'am.
Very
ma'am.
So is equal to 45 meters.
45, ma'am. Ma'am, I said first, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Akshat. You told. So 45 meters is the correct
Answer
answer.
44,
So
ma'am.
first option is the right answer. Right? Now let us go to the next one. Yes. Formula used to find the perimeter of a square whose side is A units. So here it is given that. What is the formula?
2 into L plus B.
Which one? Fifth one? 15th one. What is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square whose side is A units? So here side is given, and it is given that every side is A units. Every side is A units. Okay. So now what is the perimeter of square? You know the formula. What is perimeter of square?
Ma'am, 4 into side.
4 into side. 4 into side.
4
What
into
is
side,
side
ma'am.
given here? What is side
I
given
said
here?
first.
What is
4
side
into
given here?
A.
A. So the formula is 4 into A. In this problem, the formula becomes 4 into A. Now check which option is the right one.
Into A. Ma'am, B. Ma'am, first one.
So
First one, ma'am.
second option is the
Second
right
one,
answer. Next, formula
Yes.
used to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is L units and breadth is B units. So what is perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B, ma'am.
Very good.
2 into
Very
L plus
good.
B. 2 into A plus B.
Of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Right? So which option? First option is the right answer. Very good. Okay, let us go to the next one now. Now, guess how many squares
How
of
many
1
squares are
centimeter can fill this blue rectangle? So try to find out.
Twenty-six, ma'am. 26. Ma'am, 32, ma'am. 26, ma'am. Ma'am, 32. Ma'am, 26,
Now,
ma'am. 32, ma'am.
now
32,
listen.
ma'am.
Now
32.
listen. You are asked to guess how many squares. Yeah, now, okay. Let me check whether it is right or wrong. Please listen to me. Yes. Now here, look at the board. Children, look at the board here. Here you are given a rectangle. In this, you are given some squares. Okay. Now you are asked to guess how many, like this, how many squares you can draw in this in total. So how to find out? So keeping on just drawing these squares, it might be difficult. When so many you have to draw. So how to find? A simple thing is find out how many squares are there in the row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then find out how many squares are there in this. Sorry, first is column. So how many squares are there in this column? Then find out how many squares are in this row. Right? So you have to find out. This is the first one from in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So now how to find out? First, you see the number in column. Then you see the number in rows. 4 8s are 32. So in total, 32 squares can be drawn in this rectangle. Is that clear? Okay, let us go to the next one. Yeah. Chandu's father goes for a walk around the field every morning. So see the figure. What kind of field is this? Is it a rectangle, square, or any other figure? Check it out. So here it is given like this. This is 100 meters. So length is 100 meters. Here breadth is 150 meters. Okay. So this is the field around which Chandu's father goes for a walk. Every day he takes 4 rounds of this field. What is the total distance he covers? So first you find out what is the total distance of this field, that is perimeter of this rectangle. Then find out if this field is rounded 4 times. So 4 into the perimeter, whatever you have got, that will be the answer. So let us find out. So first, length of the field L is equal to 100 meters. Breadth of the field B is equal to 150 meters. Then perimeter, because it is a rectangle, because opposite sides are equal. Here it is 100, here in 100, this is 150 and this is 150. So this is a rectangle. You can use a perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B. Once again, length L is equal to 100 meters. breadth B is equal to 150 meters. You can see the figure, opposite sides are equal. So this is a rectangle. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into add length and breadth 100 plus 150. That is equal to 2 into 100 plus 150 is 250. And 250 2 times gives you 500. Right? If you know, write down. Otherwise, multiply and check it up. 250 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 carried, 2 twos are 4, plus 1 gives you 500. So 250 into 2 is equal to 500 meters. So it means that the field, whatever the field is given, one round if Chandu's father he makes 500 meters run. Right? It means half a kilometer. Then, but how many rounds he is making? He is making 4 rounds. So what is the total distance covered? What is the total distance covered? Can you tell me? Yes. Answer one of you. Yeah, unmute yourself and answer me. Once if make a round is 500 meters, what is the total distance covered?
2000
Total distance.
2 kilometers. 2 kilometers.
Very good. So let us find out. Total distance covered is equal to 4 times of the perimeter. So 4 zeros are 4 fives are 20. So 2000 meters is the total distance covered. But let us check out the options. Is it given 2000 in thousands? Is it given it in meters or kilometers? It is given in kilometers. So you have to convert 2000 meters.
2000 meters is equal to 2 kilometers.
Very good. 2000 meters is 2 kilometers. So answer is 2 kilometers. That is option 2. Okay. So once again I am explaining. Given length of the rectangle is 100 meters. Breadth of the rectangle is 150 meters. So you have to find the perimeter 2 into L plus B. You got 500 meters as the perimeter of this rectangle. It means if Chandu's father make one round, he runs 500 meters. But how many rounds he is making? 4 rounds. So total distance is 4 into 500. That is 2000 meters. And 2000 meters converted into kilometers, it becomes 2 kilometers. So second option is the right answer. Okay. Next. Let us do 11th and 10th. Remaining first 9 problems are easy. You can do it on your own. So 11th and 10th also I'll explain and leave you. Okay. So let us go to 11th one. Find the side of a square. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 24 meters. So here it is given that perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to how much? 24 meters. But do you know what is the perimeter of a square? You know the formula. 4 into side is equal to 24 meters. Perimeter of square, as per our formula, it is 4 into side, and the given answer is 24. Now you are asked to find the side. How to find side? 4 times side is 4 meters. Very good. Each side.
Ma'am, 6 was the 28. 6 was the 24.
Yes.
6 was the 24.
Each side is 24 divided by 4. Isn't it? So 24 divided by 4, check in 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4
The 12, 4
4
4 the
5s are 20,
4 5 the 20, 4 4 the 24.
6 is the right answer.
Correct answer.
Very
I
good.
said first, ma'am. I said first.
Yes, Akshit, I can see that. So side is equal to 6 meters. So side of
Yes.
the square is 6 meters. Please remember, first you write the perimeter of square given, then write the formula. 4 into side is equal to 24. When 4 sides is 24, then what is each side? 24 divided by 4, that is 6 meters. Okay, now let us see 10th problem. What is 10th problem? Find the breadth of a rectangle whose perimeter is 48 centimeters and length is 14 centimeters. Please listen to me carefully. I'll keep you here in mute so that everyone understand this problem. Any doubt after the class you ask me. Okay. Now here it is given that perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much? 48 centimeters. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 48 centimeters. But what is perimeter? You know the formula. 2 into L plus B is equal to 48. But now here it is given that length is equal to, length is also given. Length L is equal to 14 centimeters. So now you have to write 14 here. So it becomes 2 into L is 14. Breadth we do not know. So we write B as it is. N is equal to 48. Now please listen to me carefully. This is important and this is a bit new step to you. So now 2 times of 14 plus B is 48. Then what is 1 time of 14 plus B? Half of 48. 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. Isn't it? So then 14 plus B is equal to 48 divided by 2. Divide it and check it out. 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring 8 down. Okay. So here 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Now 14 plus B is equal to 24. Then what is B? What is B? B is bigger number minus smaller number. 24 minus 14. That is B is equal to 10, how much? Centimeters. 10 centimeters. So you are asked to find the breadth. So breadth is equal to 10 centimeters. I'm explaining this problem once again. Please check it up carefully. If any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Yeah. Now check it once again. You are given that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 48 centimeters. But you know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 48. Right? And here in problem, it is also given that length is 14 centimeters. So now substitute this length in place of L. 2 into 14 plus breadth is not given. So we are writing as it is B. 2 into 14 plus B is equal to 48. Right? Now 2 times of 14 plus B is 48. Then what is 1 time of 14 plus B? It is half of 48. So 48 divided by 2. Find out 48 divided by 2. You got it as 24. So 14 plus B is equal to 24. When 14 plus B is 24, what is the value of B? You have learned how to find out. B is equal to 24 minus 14. Bigger number minus smaller number. You will get the length of B, the side B. So B is equal to 24 minus 14. That is equal to 10 centimeters. So breadth is 10 centimeters. Hope all of you understood. Any doubt, please ask me now. Any doubt here?
No doubt, ma'am.
Fine, very good. So now the last 10 problems we have discussed. First 10 problems we have done it in classroom. They are very easy for you. You can do it. Now immediately after the class, I am going to share this worksheet to you. All of you should do, and I want these working in your classwork notebook. It's not that simply you answer and send it to me. Okay, these problems you know very well. So I am not explaining now. You can do it on your own. Fine, children? Okay, so with it, I'm ending the class. Thank you, children.
Ma'am, can you send the PDF, please?
Sure, sure.
Can you send the PDF, please?
Sure, immediately.
Discussion.
Not PDF. I will send the Google Sheet link. Open, complete, submit.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, you said this all question answers we write in notebook. That is the reason
Yes,
you have to send this question
You
answers.
have to write these answers like this in notebook. Don't simply opt the answer and send. Clear? You have to send the pictures of these notebook. This working also. Okay, children, bye. Just late by now.